Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing a PR unboxing. I have 4 packages here from different companies sent to me for a review. I'm very interested in all of them. Alright, so first we're just going to get in here. I've been collecting these a while. First is Pinch Me. You guys, are you familiar with Pinch Me? If not, I'll link down below to my reviewer page. That goes in depth on all the places where you can get free stuff to review. That's all they require. I'm out of breath. I just ran up my stairs. Whew. Woo! Anyway. So this one is actually really cool. I did look inside when I first got it. I was like, I didn't even know I was getting anything. First, we have a native deodorant sample. This is an all-natural deodorant. I actually love all-natural deodorant, and I've only heard good things about this company, but I've never actually tried it. This is lavender scented, so I am pumped. I hope it's really good. The name is Native. Made in San Francisco. It's actually lavender rose. Ooh. Alright, next we have Alpha Beta Peeling Quotidian Formula. Oh, that's not in English. Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. A patented 2-step peel with 7 acids to help smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture, and achieve clinical results at home. Ooh. I'm going to try that out. I forgot that was in there. 3 treatments are in here. So I'm excited to try that. Then we have this Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarifying Facial Wash and Scrub with tamarind extract and tea tree oil. This is for blemish prone skin. So like for me, I have cystic acne just on my chin really. Everything else I have that's redness is rosacea. So I would probably use this in like those areas only. I didn't know that Shea Moisture made skincare. That's the news to me. That's cool. And then at the bottom we have a free Graze box. Bbottle.com Pinch Me. I don't know. It's $10 off any order for that B bottle. And then a coupon for Native, I hope. Oh no, it just says it's new at Target. So there's that. The next box is from 0.8L. And this is interesting. Sometimes I get really interesting stuff. I'm like, okay. This is peach flavored detox mouthwash. I don't know what a detox mouthwash is, but I got some. All right, take 1 capful of mouthwash, hold in mouth for 30 seconds, swish gently around mouth, spit out mouthwash, do not swallow. So I guess it's just the name is detox. Safely removes bad germs, helps protect teeth and gums, cleans mouth and freshens breath. Safe for everyday use. See the bottle. See if it's real cool. I just said standard mouthwash bottle. Hey, I will try this out. It's from Herring Bee. That's the name of the company. All right. This is actually from... Okay, so do you guys remember when I did the Apollo jewelry surprise? I got that travel... jewelry case and the mirror was broken and I was kind of bummed out. They sent me one in good faith, which is really cool. So here it is in this little, oh, this one's pink. Look, it's pink. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's got a heart on it. How cute is that? And it's in perfect, excellent condition. I actually really think this is cool to travel with because if you like to have jewelry on with every outfit, you want to really shake it up. What's this? Oh, look at that. An extra secret storage space. That's cool. All right. So I'm happy to have that. All right. And finally, what is this? Oh, this is so cool. I'm so excited for this. This is from a company called Duval. I'll be doing a full review on this. It is a skincare like system, like a brush. So here it is. This is their Radiance Spin Care System. So a lot of these can be used on your feet. Like I think this brush is for your feet as well as this pumice. And then there's a facial exfoliating brush. A large body cleansing brush. Oh, that's for your body. Like you could cleanse your whole body. Facial cleansing brush and a pumice stone. So just one is for your feet. This is really cool though, and I like the color. Let's see how it feels in my hand. Oh, this is really nice. So it does it take batteries? Or do you charge it? It doesn't say. Let's see. I don't see a charger, so. Oh my gosh. I might have to find out later. Yeah, it takes 4 AA batteries. So that's really cool. I like the way it feels in my hand. It's like ergonomic. It's got some rubber here, and it's like heavy. It's like sturdy, which I always want in something like this. You don't want something flimsy or, you know, chintzy. I think this is really cool. I can't wait to review it. That is everything that's in my PR unboxing for this a while. If you want to see full reviews, check out the blog. I might do some on here as well. If you're interested in checking out my reviewer page, I will link to that below as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.